Hello traders, in this video, we want to introduce new feature in RF mobile platform. We recently added option to open pending orders, directly from chart. Let's find out, how to do it. Firstly, open chart of currency you want to trade, then click to settings icon, on the bottom of chart. Scroll down in the displayed table, and there we find a button called the plus button. Press it, and once you do, the system will remember it, and the plus button will always be displayed for you. Now, let's show you how to open a transaction on the chart. Click on the chart at the desired position, where you want to open a pending order, and press the plus button. Then choose which type of order you want to open. Once you open it, you will see your pending order on chart. We hope you will enjoy it. See you next time.